Hello everybody! Today we're going to talk about our face muscles that can be divided into two categories, mimic and chewing. Face contour is formed by temple muscle and chewing muscles. Those are the ones we're going to talk about today. They don't only influence chewing process, but also youth of our face and presence or lack of wrinkles. Chewing muscles play the main role in chewing process, and temple muscles support it. Cramp of chewing muscle lead to formation of nasolabial fold, sagging cheeks, lowering of lip corners, and abrasion of your teeth. When the temple muscle stops working, eyebrow ends and lower eyelid go down. Cramp of chewing muscles can also lead to swelling and occurrence of headaches and neck pain. Today I will show you some techniques that will help you remove the cramp and relax chewing muscle and temple muscles. To start, we're going to do a test to define the cramp of chewing muscle. Open your mouth as wide as you can and check how many fingers fit between your front teeth. If 3 to 4 fingers easily fit into your mouth, then your muscle tone is within the norm. If it's less than 3, then you have a cramp and you need to eliminate it as fast as possible. However, those who can fit 3 and more fingers should still from time to time work on relaxing your muscle, since negative emotions, hypothermia and bad cold cause cramps and kill our beauty. Here is the way you can help yourself. First, you put hands on your cheeks and, while pressing them together, open your mouth. You should feel your chewing muscle during the exercise. Repeat it 10 times. Next, you are going to massage your chewing muscle. To feel your chewing muscle well, close your teeth. After that, with an open mouth, massage the muscle with your fingers. Continue for about a minute. For the next technique that we are going to use to relax our chewing muscle, we will need a cork from a wine bottle. Put it between your front teeth and hold it like that for 5 minutes or more. This technique works very well for relaxing of your chewing muscles and helps to remove the cramp. Next technique is going to help us relax the temple muscles. Put base of your hands on the temple zone of your head and slightly pull it up. Open your mouth. While doing that, make sure you feel your hands moving up. Try to do this massage every day and remember that positive emotions such as happiness, smile, laughter, joy and love remove tension and relax your jaws. If you found this video useful, subscribe to our channel, like this video and recommend it to your friends. In comments below, please write what you would like to see on our channel.